So this video was actually inspired by Care Republic. Are always asking me about my shoes. Where did you buy that? Where did you buy that? And I felt like, no, what, let me just make an overall shoe collection. Well, this is not all my shoes, because if I were to do all my shoes, oh, Sanalami, this would not end. But I decided to do an updated shoe collection and shoes that I feel like everybody should have in the closet. I'm going from sneakers to Dr. Martens to also Spec Heels. So we'll be touching various type of shoes that I feel like every girl should have in the closet. And please take note that this will only work if you and I have the same kind of, vibe going on. See, so please make sure to check out the full video. Please watch it till the end and do not forget to leave your comment and love. So let's get straight into the video. So the first pair of shoe that I feel like everybody should have, it's this block heel. So block heel can come in two forms. It could either have like a strand going behind like your ankle, that will be like a typical, but this one is new in fashion. It's actually the slide in. I'm in love with these ones because these ones are very good if you're going for a summers type of vibe, you're going for a nice informal, like you're wearing your jean and a nice semi-formal, if you're wearing like a jean and also a nice blouse or a tank top, you are keeping it clean and nice. These are good for brunches. These are also good for Sunday lunches, that easy vibe. So these are like my to-go shoes. I wear these a lot. I actually bought this from Mr. Price. I'm not sure if they do have this kind, but you can check on their app. I'll try and link it down if they still have it on stock. But I know that Superbalist always has spec shoes, and this type of form they always have. So you can also check it out on Superbalist. If you do not know what Superbalist is, I don't know where you've been hiding, but I will just link everything down below. So don't worry. I feel that each and every single lady in this country, well, excluding Abantu Abadala obviously, because this baddie right here, she's not here to play. So these are the new design. I think they're inspired by Stephen Martin. If you don't know Stephen Martin is, get out of here. Just kidding. These are the pointed heels. I basically chose red because I have a lot of shoes, and I always say to people that if you have a lot of shoes, play around with color. I'm not gonna go for black and white all the time because I have a lot of shoes. So I went for the red ones. These ones are like, I feel like every influencer has this type of heel. Like, seriously guys, if you don't know this, I don't know, but these ones look absolutely gorgeous. I will link a picture here so that you can see like a more view. This one, I would say it's for like a formal look if you're having a nice flowy dress. Obviously if you've chosen like a very dark color, you'd have to go for neutral colors, like in terms of your dressing. The shoe does not take away the whole look, because if it's red and it's the sexy, you better pull up, honey. So these are bought from AliExpress. I'll link down everything on the description box, so don't worry. These ones have been in fashion for the longest time, like literally the longest time. These are the basic baddie. These are the shoe that has like a thin strand going around the shoe, and they have this it ties up like this. I don't know if you can see it. The lighting is going off on camera, I'm sorry about that. These are like so nice with the pair of jeans. Like, these are like simple shoes. Like, literally, if you're wearing this type of shoe, like, you really need to keep it simple, especially the mere fact that there's not a lot going on. So obviously now you can get away with a very busy outfit with this type of shit. And I'm gonna wear this with a pair of jeans. I will link pictures so that you guys can see the type of inspiration that I'm going about. Get what I'm saying? All right, let's go to the next one. Okay, so these baddies. So these are a replica of the Dr. Martens. I know guys, I'm sorry. A replica of the Dr. Martens. So basically I did not buy the Dr. Martens. I actually bought like something that actually goes, it's like I was inspired by Dr. Martin to actually buy something like this. I like how Kamumpela wears, like her outfits and stuff, the leather jacket and stuff, crop top. Like, I'm that type of girl. So when she wore these type of shoes, I was like, girl, I gotta have you. I got to have you. So I bought these ones. Like, these are like so comfortable, and they look heavy, but then they're actually not heavy, and that's what I like about them. And the mere fact that they're cute and small, and I mean, if you're a size 3, anything can look cute, honey. So I love these. You can wear them with trousers, you can wear them with pants, you can do semi-formal. Formal, I'm not sure, but you can try pull it. I love these, and these make me look like I'm a 2000. And guys, I'm from Kuka, so might as well be part of the line. So you get what I'm saying? Yes, this, yes, and I say yes, yes, yes again. These ones are my favorite. Yeah, these are like super amazing. I love them. They're very comfortable. They are wearable around the house, and I like the fact that they have this cardboard situation going on, so it won't be easy for them just to like tear apart like every slippers does. Like they just tear apart, and especially when you create that bond. Guys, I'm a slippers. I so say, but these ones I absolutely love. Yep. Without red bottoms. These are the thigh-high red bottoms. I will insert a picture, don't worry. You will see them like how they look actually in person. These are very nice, and these are very nice in winter because you can get away with looking sexy and not looking like, you get what I'm saying? So you can actually get away with looking very sexy and as well looking very presentable with a nice short skirt with the high boots and maybe stockings, the vibe that I'm going with. You can also put them in summer, which is quite nice. These are not really hot, but you can wear like long socks under, which will make you warm, so you can get away with both winter and summer. I like the fact that they are actually wearable in all seasons, winter, autumn, you can name them all, you all know them. So these are like my to-go shoes. I literally love them, and for the mere fact that I can look tall in them. So these are my Air Force Ones. These are my Air Force Ones. Guys, the white is looking bad on camera, I'm sorry about that. Okay, these are like the Air Force Ones. I've been wanting a pair of nice techies, and this was inspired by Pamela Mtanga. She actually posted a picture of herself wearing Air Force Ones, but obviously hers are like more advanced, so I'll arrive there. Guys, if you know me, I'm not a fan of sneakers, but I noticed that, you know what, I need to be on the trend list. Like I need to get onto the train, on the trend, or whatever it is. I need to be part of the train, so I actually bought myself these Air Force Ones. I love them. They are very comfortable. I would advise you that if you do want Air Force One, please downsize, because when they get old, honey, they get old, they get fat, and you will look like you're wearing, can I not comment too much, but please just downsize. It's for you. It's an advice from me to you. These are basic slides. Let me show you. These were inspired by the ones that like went all over social media from Zara. This is a replica of the ones from Zara. I tried to get a similar kind of vibe. I've worn them quite some time, so please don't mind them. They're quite dirty, and I love them. They're very comfortable. You can wear them with a pair of jeans, a dress, whatever, you know. Slides have just been part of the game. I mean, you know, there's not much to say. Slides are very important, especially if you have a long day, you have a lot of errands to run. You can actually get this type of slides. I'm a size 3 in all of the shoes. I will link down everything on my comment section, guys. Do not worry, I got you. Please make sure to comment down below if you've loved the video. Please do suggest more videos that I can do. Once again, if you don't know me, what are you doing? Who are you with? Stop it. Love you all, guys.